Looks like a likely spot. Oh, got one. Got one. On the Ned rig, guys. On the Ned rig. I knew that was going to be a good spot.
Well, hey everyone, Bill with Fishing with Odad, and oh man, can you believe it? I'm finally out here again fishing. It's been 2 weeks at least. It's been several weeks since a video came out, but this video is going to be really, really, really special because it is the first ever subscriber unboxing. Can you believe it? I got something from someone who I consider a friend. He lives out in California, and he wanted to say thanks for the great videos, and well, at least he thinks they're great. I'm not sure how I feel or anybody else, but he thinks they're cool. So he sent me something, and here it is. So we're going to open it up. I have no idea what it is. So yeah, this is a momentous occasion. Oh, I guess I don't have to cut anything. Or do I? Well, let's see. Not sure how you open these boxes, but we'll find out here. Okay, cool. Ooh, there's a letter. There's a letter in it. And something in an envelope. It says, the Robo Worms work great on a weightless or weighted Texas rig or nose hooked on a drop shot. Hook the two-man claws so that the butt is touching the jig head. The claws have a great floating action. The Lipless crankbait has a nice shimmy on the fall. Bow your rod and give it some slack, otherwise work it like you do any other. Good luck. Well, thank you to my dear friend. So, anyway, let's see what's in the envelope first. Now, I'm going to save that to last. Okay, so here's what we got. 6-inch straight tail, Aaron's Morning Dawn Robo Worm. Yeah, cool. Cool. Yeah. Oh, I like it. And Z-Man TRD Crawzy Bubble Gut Little Craws. Oh, these ought to be cool. Yeah, these ought to be cool. Oh, how cool is this? Ooh, and a Strike King Red Eye Shad Lipless crankbait. Oh, I like this. Oh, I like them all. Oh, how cool. How cool is this? I think I have one Robo Worm package that I got a few years ago, and I don't think I've hardly used them. So, all right, now I'm opening the envelope. Oh, pictures of him using the stuff. And the letter says, "Hi Bill, I have included a few of the lures and colors that I have been having the most success on. I put in a pack of the size and brand wide gap hooks and Ned rig jigs that I use. I'm sure you already had something that would work, but better safe than sorry." Oh, there's something else in here. Oh, I didn't see those. Oh, cool. Yeah, he sent me some Zappy 2-aught wide gaps. I think they're wide gaps. Look like it. There's that. Worm hooks and some Z-Man Ned Rig jig heads. Ah, cool. I can always use those. That's for sure. I can use all this stuff. Oh, how cool. Man. Christmas. On my Lipless crankbaits and any hard bait, I switch out the treble hooks for approximately sized single hooks. I see you use treble, so I have left them on. I have also put in some photos of some of the bass I have caught recently, as well as some green sunfish and bluegill. Nothing too crazy, but I thought I'd share. Thanks for the great videos. I hope you get some use out of some of this tackle. Don't worry, I will. Don't feel pressured to include any of the tackle in your video if you don't actually enjoy using them. Oh, I enjoy using anything. Especially when somebody gave it to me. That's cool. See you next time on the water. Best wishes. And I'll use his name. His name's Garrett. Cool. Oh, how cool. Ooh. Ooh, nice bass. Nice bass. Looks like you got on a Texas rig robo worm there. Ooh. Boy, nice green sunfish. Yeah. Cool. Another, ooh. What a honker. I'm assuming this is a bluegill. What a beast. Woo! Another nice bass. Don't know what he got this one on. Doesn't show it. But cool. Another green sunfish. Maybe that big honker was a green sunfish. Yeah. Man, nice fish. Nice fish out in California. And this one looks like he got it on this bass looks like he got it on a topwater frog. Yeah. Well, ain't that something. Oh, I got more. Another nice, looks like a bluegill there. Yeah. How cool. Man, some nice fish. Oh, and here's the Lipless crankbait. Got a bass on that Lipless crankbait he sent me. How awesome is that? Well, thanks, Garrett. Thanks very much. Man, you're in the record books because you're the first. Yeah, man, what can I say? Thank you. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. And we are going to, I don't have my Texas rig thing with me, but I can rig it up real quick on one of my, because I didn't bring all my rods today like I normally do, due to some reasons. And I got 4 rods. I got 2 spinning and 2 bass rod, 2, you know what I mean. Anyway, too old to remember. Anyway, let's quit talking. Let's put on some of this stuff that I got and see how we do. So anyway, thanks for watching. And you know, guys, if you like the video, then give me a thumbs up and comment on them. I really appreciate the comments. It just encourages me, and it also every once in a while I get some great tips and great advice, and I can always use that. So been fishing a long time, but I ain't done learning yet. So let's get to fishing. All right, guys, we got on from Garrett the Strike King Red Eye Lipless Crankbait here, and I pinched the barbs down. I'm a catch and release guy, so that's the safest way to do it. So let's see what happens. Yeah, the water's up real good. Kinda clear the way it normally is during the summer. It looks good, no algae. Let's see what happens. First cast in weeks, and first cast with a brand new lure from a great friend out in California.
Well, I'll be real disappointed if I don't get something on this. Always done well on Lipless. I'm surprised I haven't even had a bite yet. Maybe they're just not woke up yet. Well, I am shocked. I'm shocked that I haven't even had a bite. Okay, third spot. We did have a pretty bad storm come in here last night, so not sure what that's going to do to the fishing. Oh, got one, guys, got one, got one, got one, got one. Yes, yes, all right, yes, yes. All right, thank you, Garrett. Yeah, on the Lipless crankbait. Strike King Red Eye Shad. All right. A nice one, too. A nice one, too. Oh, hook good, hook good.
Well, thank you, Garrett. There it is. And there's the crankbait. Yeah, how cool is that? How cool is that? Easy out when you pinch the barbs down. So, yeah, let's get another shot of that. You got it. Thank you, Garrett. We got ourselves a video.
There you go, my friend. No worse for wear.
Well, that was pretty doggone awesome, guys. On the Strike King Lipless Crankbait, first time ever using it. A gift from a subscriber. Man, how great is that? How great is that?
Oh, got one, guys. Got another one. Got another one. On the Strike King Red Eye Shad Lipless Crankbait from my friend Garrett. What do I have? What do I have? Another bass. Oh, he got off. That's okay. Wasn't as big as the last one, but I came close to getting him. Yeah. Oh, I like this. I like it. I like it. Couple more casts with this. And I think I figured out a way I can do the Ned rig. Okay. Yeah, let's go back to the truck and rig up a Ned rig. Alright. I got a medium light rod there. I'm going to use one of these Z-Man Ned rig jig heads. This is the kind I use. I love the Z-Man ones because I got that flat head on them. Really good hooks, and I like the weedless feature. Yeah, it's cool.
Alright guys, we got on Garrett's Ned rig set up here. A Z-Man crawl and a Z-Man weedless jig head here. So I got it on a medium light rod, and actually it's a medium, just a plain medium. I thought it medium light. So I think this would be the perfect setup. Actually, it's not the one I normally use for Ned rigs, but it's going to do. I think it'll do nicely. So let's see what happens.
Gotta get a fish on this too, guys. Yes, we do. Looks like a likely spot. Oh, got one. Got one. On the Ned rig, guys. On the Ned rig. I knew that was going to be a good spot. I knew it. I knew it. Oh, we got tangled up here. Oh, I got him out. Got him out. Got him out. Got him out. All right. Thank you, Garrett. Another nice one. Another quality bass. Yeah.
Guys, another nice quality bass out of here. Not nearly as big as the other one, but a nice one. And on the Ned rig. Yeah, the little crawl Ned rig. Oh, how awesome. He hit that no sooner than it hit the water. Yeah. Yeah, nice, nice. Thank you, Garrett. Another one. Thank you, Garrett.
There he goes. Thank you, Garrett. Thank you, fish, for being on the show.
Thank you. I like it. Ned rig, Z-Man crawl, Z-Man Ned rig. Let's fix our weedless thing here. Yeah. Well, he hit that. I knew that was a good spot. I knew it. I cast out, I looked at that and I go, there's got to be a fish there. Sure enough, no sooner it hit the water than I got one. We're going to go back and rig up a Texas rig, and with that little robo worm from Garrett. Thanks, Garrett. And see how we do. All right, guys. We rigged up a Texas rig here. Just got an 1/8 ounce weight on this little robo worm. What do they call this? Aaron's Morning Dawn. Not sure what Aaron has to do with it, but maybe he's the one that saw the morning dawn and goes, ooh, cool color. So thanks, Garrett, and I appreciate it more than you'll ever know.
Well, come on, fish. Need one on the Texas rig here. Gotta do it for Garrett. Oh, got one, guys. Got one. Oh, that was a surprise. That was a big surprise. Got one. Yes. Yes.
Yeah. All right. Thanks again, Garrett. Thanks again, Garrett. There it is, the robo worm. First ever on the robo worm. Another quality bass. Yeah, scarfed it right up in the weeds, right maybe 5 foot from the bank. He could use some weight on him. If he was filled out a little better, he'd be a good 2 pounds. He's long and lean. Unhooked it. Yeah, Oh, nice, nice. Thank you, Lord, and thank you, Garrett. Well, guys, we're going to call it. Man, it's been a great morning. Great, great, great. I want to thank the Lord, first of all, for allowing me to come out here and fish, and for allowing me to catch some fish. And they were nice quality. I only got 3, almost had another one, but they were good quality fish. And the one I really would like to thank, besides the Lord, is my friend Garrett out in California for sending me all those great lures. The robo worms, caught one on that. The Z-Man craws, caught one on that on a Ned rig. And then the Strike King red eye shad lipless crankbait. That one got the biggest fish of all, and he was a beaut. So it's been great. Thank you, Garrett, again and again and again. Appreciate it. I love all my subscribers out there. They've been really great, sticking through me through some really tough times. My accident, and then with what's going on now, I just really appreciate it. Keep up the prayers. I believe they're working. Prayers always work. Whether we realize it or not, prayers always work. So thanks again for watching. Thank you, Garrett. Thank you, Lord. And I guess that's it. So as always, guys, we'll see you next time, Lord willing, out here on the water.
Go ahead, little one.